Hello and welcome. Today we will be looking at Google Workspace Sync for Microsoft Outlook. We'll look at how to download and install Google Sync, add your Google account, and then use it with Outlook. Here's the download link for Google Sync. We will be putting that link in the video description. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, if you have Outlook open, we're going to go ahead and close Outlook. Then we want to open a web browser. Any browser will do. I'm just going to go to google.com and then type in Google Workspace Sync, and there it is for Microsoft Outlook. Go ahead and select it and hit enter. And it's this first link that we want, download Google Workspace Sync for Microsoft Outlook. We'll go ahead and click on that. And we'll be looking at the download exe file recommended for users. So go ahead and click on download GWSMO. Wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, down in the bottom left-hand corner here, I'm going to click on open file. If you're an admin on your computer, you'll get this box asking if you want to allow this app to make changes. Go ahead and click yes. If you are not an admin on your computer, you will need to contact your IT administrator. When you click yes, it will begin installing Google Workspace Sync. And once it's installed, we can go ahead and click close on that window. After that, let's enter our email address at thestable.com and then click continue. It will open a web browser and it will populate our email address there. So we'll go ahead and click next. And then it'll ask us for our password. Go ahead and enter your Google password. And then click next. It'll take us to a page that asks if we want to allow Google Sync to access our Google account. We'll scroll down to the bottom and then click allow. And that's it. We have signed into Google Workspace Sync, so we can go ahead and close out of our web browser. And this is a configuration window for Google Workspace Sync. We can ignore all these settings and go ahead and click Create Profile. Now that that's done, go ahead and click Start Microsoft Outlook. And here it is wanting us to choose a Outlook profile. Now, Outlook is my previous email profile I had set up with Outlook, and so now we want to use the Google Workspace profile, so we'll go ahead and select that. Another step you'll want to do is click Options, and then uncheck Prompt for a profile to be used, and check Set as Default Profile. This will allow Outlook to open your Google profile every time you open Outlook, and you won't be asked to pick a profile every time. Once you have those options checked, go ahead and click OK. And we can see that Google Workspace Sync is now syncing our Google Mail to our Outlook client. You can go ahead and close this sync box. This will just run in the background. And there you have it. Now you can use Outlook with your Google account. Thank you very much for tuning in with us today. And if you have any questions, let us know. Have a great day.